Biology Part 48. Number 2, regulation of amino acids. The cells of the body use amino acid for protein synthesis, and as raw, they in fact do produce the great amount. When we talk about them, we in fact deliver the details. They are used as raw materials for building up other organic compounds. The liver processes amino acids received from the digestive system and ensures that appropriate amounts of all different amino acids circulate the bloodstream. Some amino acids can be converted into others, which may be in short supply, and the liver can also make new amino acids using glucose and fatty acids. These interconversions are possible because the biochemical pathways used to break down these different substances all lead to the important intermediate substances acetate. COO is there, many of the pathways are reversible, so that the acetyl is used as to submit in building up more complex compound. Depending on circumstances, acetyl CoA is obtained from glucose and breakdown can be made there if needed, if required, and they are provided as pathways are there obtained from glucose, broken used to make amino acids or fatty. Alternatively, acetyl or CoA is obtained from fatty acids, and amino can be broken down to energy. Amino acids not immediately required by the body are deaminated, that is, NH2 and the amino group is removed to form ammonia. This process leaves behind a selection of other molecular fragments called keto acids, which are converted into acetyl CoA and used directly for the respiration or converted to glucose or fat depending on current needs. The body cannot store surplus amino acids or proteins the same way as surplus carbohydrates, so it can also be an issue. And we can have the regulation of plasma. The next we'll have the regulation of lipids. We'll talk about lipids, we'll talk about the regulation of plasma, and we'll talk about the storage of vitamins and inorganic elements. The production of heat will also be discussed here in this video. We'll also talk about the storage of blood. Right now we talk about the regulation of plasma protein. Well, blood plasma contains about 70 gram dms cubic of proteins in colloidal solution. In addition to the blood clotting protein fibrinogen, these proteins include albumin and many different globulin proteins that are available there, and we can use them accordingly for the process needed in the body, and the body in fact uses them efficiently and provides them when the different organs of the body use them and need them. Well, there are different proteins included here, and there are fibers and regulation plasma proteins. In addition to blood clotting protein fibrinogens, these proteins include albumin and many different globulin proteins covering a wide range of pH buffers, and we have discussed them in the tutorial as well. They help to regulate distribution of liquid between blood and tissue fluid. Almost all plasma proteins are manufactured later broken down by the liver. Regulation of lipids. We'll talk about the lipids. Lipids are needed as building materials for cell membrane and for making some hormones. So we'll talk about the regulation of lipids in our next video as we move along with them.